Hi everyone, this is Anti with Intero Real Estate. Today I would like to show you a piece of real estate in San Jose that could work for investors, first-time home buyers, or elderly parents who would love to have a ground floor level unit. And let me show you why you should invest into it. Number one, ground floor with a patio that could work for your pet or grow a little garden. And it's minimal repairs. And you know what best about this home is the inside laundry room. Every condo around in the entire county, we don't have a lot of inside laundry room for the price less than $500,000. And check this out. Walk-in closet in the master bedroom. This house have a lot of natural light, as you can see. So for further information, feel free to give me a call, 408-561-7539. Thank you.